Spin it around, spin it around. Okay, then put me down and see if I can watch straight. Okay, now put me down and see if I can watch straight.
Alright.
They're technically all the same burgers.
Alright, what else is that? What you want, Zion?
I don't know what burger I want.
What kind of burger, boy?
A cheeseburger or a bacon cheeseburger?
Bacon cheeseburger.
You want a kids meal?
Yeah, but not cheese. But not cheese. I would love one of them Peppa Pig, please. Where's Peppa?
Do you want just a bacon cheeseburger? You want fries?
You can't have Peppa Pig without Peppa. I want cheese.
You want
You
bacon
have
cheeseburger?
Peppa. Yeah, but not cheese.
No cheese, so bacon burger?
Yeah. Bro can't pick me up.
So you want a bacon cheeseburger, no cheese?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want fries with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's all.
So,
What'd you say? I'll pick you
No, what?
Oh,
Oh, okay.
he said.
I think he said, what the?
do you want? Alright, see, look at that keyboard. Dining and clean that table.
See, now I look great.
Dining and clean the table.
Bro.
Welcome to McDonald's. £40,000. Except for Ty. Except for Zion and
But one day all you boys here at this table is gonna break the scale. I can already tell.
I feel like
Especially you, Shakai.
I feel like
Especially you.
Roro is gonna break the chair.
Bruh.
She look like Daddy Pig. Yo! Give me that back. This guy is him. This guy is him. Give me it back. Give me it back, Roro. Mouth right now.
Alright, so anyways, y'all are all public school, right?
Yep.
Would you want to be homeschooled?
Yes.
Yes? Why?
I'll be zero school. I don't want any school.
Why?
Because there are a lot of drama at my school, and one time there was a fight happening.
Oh, wow.
And they got in-school suspension.
Oh, wow.
And they had lunch in-school suspension, and they got lunch and recess detention for the whole school year for next year and on 6th grade, and they got BIR and that's it. But all the teachers, and one of my teachers, she's my homeroom teacher. Her name's Miss Good, and everybody knows that she's wearing a wig. But then,
Okay. Closer. Your butt cheeks aren't going to touch. I was just kidding. Come on, poet. Come up here.
Zion, scooch over.
I'm right here.
Keep scooching.
Keep on going. There you go. See? Come on.
This is gonna be a family photo. Y'all are messing it up.
That's poet. Bruh. What is going on? Go. It's in the car. Be careful. Be careful. Come on.
Now you're gonna have to be.
Get out.
No!